Now this is what I'm talking about. All the walls have been repointed. So we took out all the bad mortar and put in new cement that was specifically designed for this. And you could see it will brighten up as it dries out. This was the stone bench wall that held the wall in place. And we ran the gray mirror drain over the block, over the stones, over and up. And then we put a wood form in and poured this concrete ledge over the stones. The trench is in this darker area on the bottom that leads to the sump pump. But as you can see, this was a lot of concrete and this was a lot of work. But I have to tell you, it came out beautiful, just like I thought. Everything looks great. And the customer is very happy, very, very happy. Some specialty stuff. Here's the second sump pump. We actually blocked in the windows. This just looks spectacular. And when this stuff brightens up, he's going to be very happy.